From Wolf, a specialist in creating delicious results on a grand scale, the big news is small. Introducing Wolf Gourmet, countertop appliances and kitchen tools that exist for one very important reason: to make every meal come out the way you want it, precisely. The secret is precise control. Control comes from balance and sharpness, from uniform heat, from consistent airflow, from responsiveness, from power, and finesse. And from more precise control come more delicious meals every time. And there's really nothing small about more delicious meals, is there?